What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's sorry, guys. In today's episode, guys, we're gonna be going over Ethereum and Ethereum's price action. But really quick, guys, if you guys haven't signed up with BitConnect already and you're interested in signing up, go ahead and use the referral link down below. Currently, I have about 3,130 invested into the program. Before this, it was 1,300, I believe, and I deposited 1,600 today or earlier today. So with about 1,300, I've earned about 454 in lending profit, 110 in lending or an affiliate bonus, sorry, and total earned 565. Oh, I'm sorry, this was $1,000 before. This was 13 or 3,130. So with $1,000, I've earned $454 and 110 in referrals, thanks to you guys. So shout out to you guys for that. So for those of you that don't know what BitConnect is basically a lending program that allows you to lend your capital and earn a daily interest on your investment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the interest rates for this these upcoming days. So before we had 1.48 on the 9th, 1.23 on the 10th, 1.50 on the 11th, 0.55 on the 12th, and today's 1.46, and tomorrow 0.54. So overall, not bad. I've been gaining some pretty good interest. So I don't have here really quick. Actually, I'll show you guys on that on a different episode. I don't want to take too much time, but if you're looking at signing up with BitConnect, go ahead and use the referral link down below. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market, guys. Market cap currently at 481 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 58.5%. Bitcoin currently at 16,844. Ethereum up 16%, basically $618. Bitcoin Cash 1,500. Litecoin at 306. Ripple at 37 cents. Yikes, look at that. What a monster. I actually had some Ripple, but I sold before I started making this, so unfortunate for me, but oh well. We'll catch the next one. IOTA up 2%, Dash up 8%, NEM up 8%, Bitcoin Gold up almost 2%, Cardano up almost 8%, EOS up 23%. See, I missed this one, damn it. Lumens up 5%, BitConnect 0.54%, Waves up 27%, Qtum up almost 14%, and Lisk up 7%. So overall, looks like a pretty green day. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin, guys. Let's zoom out and look at the 4-hour. So earlier, I had a friend text me, "Hey man, like, what do you think? Do you think I should buy Bitcoin now, or should I wait for it to drop?" Personally, it's in my opinion, Bitcoin is always a buy, long term, obviously. But if you're gonna always expect a short term drop, if you know you're starting to look like we have a double top here, so expect a short term drop if you are buying now. Where do I see it? I mean, this looks like a possible double top. I do see price coming back down to 11,000 here and finding support and then possibly continuing back up towards the upside. So what I'm kind of expecting is a bounce and then here. Oh, that's ugly. Hold on, sorry about that. There we go. Much better. That's what I'm expecting from Bitcoin. But, however, if we do zoom out and look at the daily chart here, it does look like we found support here at around 13,700. So we could continue up and possibly not even make that retracement just yet. However, now that we do have the futures in play, I do believe they will have... actually, maybe not. They probably won't have too much to do with the way Bitcoin acts. I feel like Bitcoin will... Yeah, because it's a contract, not a, you're not actually buying or selling Bitcoin. So, but it definitely looks like we found support here at about 13,700. So I am expecting it to continue up to about 20,000. If we get rejected here at 17,000, definitely expect it to come down to 11,000. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin, guys. So Litecoin, I feel like has been I mean, Bitcoin, don't get me wrong, has made a lot of people money and definitely moved a lot this year. I believe it was like 8,000%, 7,000%. Actually, let me go ahead and take a look at my phone really quick. Just a second. Oh, okay. I was way off. I don't know why I said 8,000%. So Bitcoin just this year alone has gone 2,000%, guys. However, if you look at Litecoin this year has gone 9,000%. That's ridiculous. I mean, even in the cryptocurrency world, guys, 9,000% in 1 year is ridiculous. But shout out to Litecoin. How are those coins, guys? How are those coins? And for our coin of the day, guys, Ethereum has actually gone about almost 8,000, and we're currently at 7,600% for the year. I was actually talking to my friends earlier. It makes me kind of sad. But actually, before I go into detail, so what am I expecting from Litecoin? It definitely looks like we could have possibly we could be consolidating here for a bit. However, I do believe Litecoin has finally started to catch the attention it deserves, and it's going to be a nice bull run in 2018. I believe Litecoin was on CNBC earlier. So they were saying Litecoin is going ludicrous, so it's getting attention now. So the media is talking about it. So I definitely expect people to hop on Litecoin just as fast as people started hopping on Bitcoin once they people started talking about it. But let's go ahead and switch over to our coin of the day, guys, which is Ethereum. And as you guys can tell here, let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. Ethereum has a new all-time high of about $714 here. And remember, I believe it was a month ago when I started this YouTube channel, the second video I made was saying Ethereum was going to go to 750. On some exchanges it did, this is Coinbase, on Coinbase it didn't. However, we're still on track to meet that. It is only the 12th of December, so we could possibly see it before. Where do I see Ethereum going in the long term? Well, something to keep in mind, guys, is what I said in a couple of videos earlier is my top 3 coins for 2018 are going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Litecoin is definitely going to replace Bitcoin Cash here, as you guys can tell. We're only about, what, 9 billion? We're only 9 billion away from passing Bitcoin Cash and market cap. 9 billion really isn't all that much. 9 billion is about what? Let's see. It's about $120. So this will put us like at a 420, 430 about. So, that's not too much, and media's just starting to talk about Litecoin. So I could definitely see Litecoin possibly even passing Bitcoin Cash in 2017 and making its debut in 2018 as the number 3 coin. But let's go ahead and stop talking about Litecoin, and it's taking all the attention, and we're going to switch over to Ethereum here. So as you guys can tell, it definitely looks like we have a new all-time high here at 718, which will be our new resistance. If we go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour chart here, actually let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. It doesn't look like there's any signs of slowing down. Oops. So if you do have any Ethereum positions, I would definitely hold those until we get a confirmation on the not the hour, but on the 4 hour, that there is a possible reversal. But as you guys can tell here, we have a higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we are definitely in an uptrend now, and we were stuck in consolidation for, let's go and switch over to the daily here. Actually, the daily won't even tell us how long we were stuck in consolidation. We got to go to the weekly. So we were stuck in a nice little triangle here, guys. For this week, this is when we made our first all-time high at about 418, and we came down to about 150. So since then, we've been stuck in a nice little consolidation zone. So we've been in this zone for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 weeks, guys. That's 5 months. And then 5 months and 2 weeks. That's a long time to be stuck in consolidation for, in my opinion, for a cryptocurrency. So I believe Ethereum will start to gain a lot of momentum and a lot of attention, and definitely start to continue towards the upside. Something to keep in mind here is looking at the market caps for Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you go ahead and compare those, that's about 4.5, 4.2 of a difference from Ethereum to Bitcoin Cash. If we want to see the price of Ethereum double, which would make this about 1,200, well, we need to see the market cap double, which will put us about 120 billion. That's definitely doable, guys. Remember, you have to keep in mind Ethereum is partnered with some big companies such as Microsoft. So the only thing that's really slowing them down is kind of their technology. We haven't really been seen any big updates or any mind blowing, I guess, um new technology or ideas from them that's put us on the Ethereum boat. But I'm definitely bullish on Ethereum. I bought some earlier this week, I believe on the 9th or no, on the 11th. No, sorry, the 10th. I bought some on the 10th at about 500. I bought half an Ethereum just to kind of see how it would go. I'm in profit about 17%, 18%, I believe. And I'm definitely looking to hold this up to about 1,000, just because that's a nice psychological resistance. I do believe we'll break 750 here and continue up to 1,000. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you don't already. And if you guys are looking to use BitConnect, use the referral link down below. It would help me out a lot, guys. And I'll be doing a giveaway soon. The faster my BitConnect account grows. So the more referrals, the faster BitConnect grows, and the more giveaways I do. So keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Peace.